Welcome to the Elsa Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make Korv Stroganoff, or it's like bologna stroganoff in the air fryer. I've never done it, so tag along and let's see if I fail or if I succeed. So in general, this is a really simple recipe. We need, this is about 3 pounds of Falukorv, which is like bologna. We've got 5 onions. We've got some yellow mustard that I'm going to use. I've got a container of coconut milk, some tomato paste, a little bit of salt and pepper. What I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the onions and I'm going to slice the sausage into strips. And I'll bring it back when I've done. Okay, there we go. So these are about 2 inches long and 1/4 inch across, something like that. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be exact. And these are more or less finely chopped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off. I lost a bit of focus, so I'm starting over. I've got 1 tablespoon of butter and the onions in here. I'm going to run it on full heat on the casserole option, which hopefully is going to mean that the paddle is going to turn. And I'm going to do this for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the bologna. I'll be back. Okay, so this has been frying for 7 minutes, and I'm gonna add the bologna in there, and then I'm gonna put it on again the casserole program. I'm gonna lower it to 3, and I'm gonna let it go for 15 minutes. Okay, so this has been running for 15 minutes. I'm gonna switch it to the French fry mode, so I get some air on there and the stirring, and then I'm gonna run it on 3 for 15 more minutes. There we go. Okay, so I only ran this for 7 minutes because I didn't want it to brown too much. So I've got 4 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gonna add that in there, and then whatever this is, 12 ounces of coconut milk. There we go, and back to the casserole program we go, and we'll go for 10 minutes. And there we go. There we go, 15 minutes. It's about done. Let's plate this and let's eat it. There we go, Svensk Husmanskost. Korv Stroganoff. Bologna Stroganoff. Falukorv Stroganoff. Whatever you want to call it. At least it's Swedish Husmanskost. Let's try this. That's just the way it should be. Difference between this and the real recipe is that normally it's served with rice. I chose pasta because they practically threw it at us in the store. And I used coconut milk instead of cream because I didn't have any cream. Anyway, if you try this, you're gonna like it. I do. Thank you for watching. Bye.